What was that?
The speaker. Do you see the coil?
What?
I like my good food, I like taquitos, I like brand new shit, so that's what I like.
What was that?
The speaker. Do you see the coil?
What? What did you do? I just got in here. You're not supposed to do that.
Do you see the coil?
Why did it do that?
Huh?
You must be putting some power on these suckers. Jesus. Did you do that on purpose?
Yeah.
Was it clipping? Was it just over exterior?
No, was very hard. Like I blow like 30 minutes ago.
Really?
Yeah, I put the other one. Let it overload.
Oh, okay.
Stay 100 and you kind of feel.
Oh gosh, I need to get out. I don't want you to blow anything else. So that thing blew earlier?
Yeah, blew earlier. He just keep playing. So.
Oh, okay. Well, because that's turning into a port.
Yeah.
So it's like a sixth order now.
Yeah, it's a sixth order.
Hey, what's up, man?
I can't believe you just started.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.